today I'm making a deep conditioning banana hair mask. Bananas are high in potassium. They contain silica that help your body synthesize collagen more easily. Bananas have antimicrobial properties and are very, very good in hair care routines. So I'm using small sized bananas. These are local West African bananas. You can use any kind of banana that you have available in your area. Bananas are very good for you. They are very healthy. They are very nutritious. So it's a good idea to have some bananas at home for your own personal consumption. And in case you have a few left over that are about to go bad, this is a great way to use them and not waste them. The next ingredient we're going to use is aloe vera. I have 2 medium-sized aloe vera leaves that I've plucked from the garden. I love using aloe vera in my hair. It has detangling properties. It leaves your hair feeling nice and soft. So I'm going to extract the gel, and first I'm going to cut the sides. If you've seen some of my previous videos, you know how to process the aloe vera to extract the gel. Once your aloe vera is well washed, you can use a knife or a potato peeler to cut off the edges, that's the spikes on the edge of the leaf. Now to extract the gel, I'm going to cut off the top side, which is the thinner side. If you look at the aloe vera leaf, you will notice that one side holds more of the gel. So I'm cutting off the thinner side that holds less gel. And then I'm going to use a spoon to extract the gel out of the leaf. So it's actually very simple. You just hold the leaf down, use your spoon to extract the gel. So this is what the gel looks like. This is what is inside the aloe vera leaf. It looks thick, but once you blend it or, mix it in, it liquefies pretty easily. So I'm doing the same for the second leaf, just using my spoon to extract the gel. This is what the gel looks like. And now our gel is ready to be used in our hair mask. Next, we're going to need some pure honey. Honey is a humectant and is going to attract moisture to the hair. So definitely a good thing to have in there. And then we're also going to use some coconut milk. Coconut milk also brings amazing benefits, helps the hair to feel soft and nourished. So definitely a great ingredient to add into any deep conditioning hair recipe. Okay, so let's get started. This is a deep conditioning hair treatment. It's a pre-conditioning treatment, which means that I'm going to be using this in my hair before I actually wash my hair. So it would be a good idea to leave it in your hair for an hour, or if you have more time, definitely leave it in your hair for a few hours before you wash it out. Sometimes I leave my masks in overnight, but today I'm just going to leave this mask in for a few hours. I had 5 bananas, but I'm going to use only 4 because this 5th one looks a little bit far gone. So got rid of that one, and now I have 4 bananas, 4 small bananas. If you have bigger bananas, you can use 2. That should be fine. And then I'm going to add in the aloe vera gel. Now your mask could be more liquid or less liquid depending on how you like your mask to feel like. So the coconut milk component is what is going to determine how liquid your mask is. So add as much as you feel comfortable. Now, if you find your mixture is too thick, you can add more of the coconut milk. And if you think your mixture is a little too liquid, you can also add more bananas to make it thicker. Next, I'm adding in the pure honey. This honeymoon honey is available at the Green Butterfly Market that's held at the Department of Parks and Gardens. If you haven't heard about the Green Butterfly Market, go Google it, check it out. You will not regret it. I love this honey. It's really good, great tasting, and I love using it in everything, including my hair mask. So now, guys, we're going to add the hair oil that we created last week. If you haven't seen the video, go check out the video link in the description box below. I'm using about a tablespoon of the herbal hair oil recipe that we created using cloves and rosemary. This oil has definitely been a game changer in my hair care routine. So now I'm going to blend all the ingredients together, blend it up really nicely. You see, I have it all nicely mixed now, and I'm going to pour it into a cup or whatever you have available. You can see my mixture is a little bit liquid, but I don't mind because I have a lot of hair, so I like to make it liquid enough for me to be able to easily apply it into my hair. So this is what it looks like. If you want it a little bit thicker, like I said, you can add more bananas to it, but this is just fine for what I would like to do today. It's good to work your hair into sections, especially if you have long hair. So for me, I like to first put enough of the mask into my hair to loosen it up, and then I start working it into sections. Once I've sectioned a portion, I then add more of the hair mask to get all the hair in that section totally covered with the hair mask. This mask does a very good job of detangling your hair, so I take a few minutes to run my fingers through, and I just use my fingers to quickly detangle each section. This hair mask was so good, I can't even begin to tell you how good my head felt after I applied and left it in for a few hours. After shampooing my hair felt really soft, very detangled, even before I put the oil in. The combination of aloe vera, bananas, honey, and of course this hair oil is an absolute winner. I highly recommend that you give this a try and let me know in the comment section how this went for you. For me, it was amazing and I'm definitely doing it again. If you haven't subscribed, you know what to do. See you in the next video.